Namaskar. Today we will make colorful jewels with the help of crystal powder, color and 15 milliliter water. Now first we have to put 15 milliliter water in the measuring cylinder with the help of the measuring cylinder. After that we have to mix the 2 drops of any food color. After that we will mix it. Now we will mix some of the crystal powder. Now we have to mix 1/2 scoop of crystal powder, means we have to use the half spoon of crystal powder. Now this is the half. Now we will be mixing it. Now after 5-10 minutes you will be able to see the colorful jewels. Now you can see that these are getting bigger and bigger after a minute. Now see, they are getting bigger and bigger because the crystal powder is made it by a special substance so that it can absorb the colored water and the water. Now see, these are getting bigger and bigger because they are made of the super substance. After 5 minutes, we will be able to see the jewels. We have to stir this again and again so that it can be mixed.